All right, so we looked at things like Plotly and Holo views in the last video, but I'm going to take it a step further and not really write any kind of plotting call from pandas. You can use this library called PyGWalker, which if you've used a tool like Tableau before, is pretty similar. It doesn't have all the same features, but uh, it's great. Literally, you just import it, say pig.walk, and then you could just start dragging and dropping. So if you work with people that have basically no Python knowledge, they could still come into a notebook and run this and kind of explore the data. Just click and drag, right? I think it's a really common pattern with a lot of visualization tools. So I could do that. By default, it kind of aggregates for you. Now, if I were to try and recreate the visual that we did before, it aggregates it for me. I don't really want that. So let me turn off aggregation. I get this warning about only plotting 50,000 records, so there might still be something I need to do to uh, filter this data down, but at least, I don't know, with 50,000, I can start to explore and see some of the same patterns that we were looking at before. So super easy to use library, PyGWalker. Check it out.